Hello and welcome to the video. It has been a couple of days since we put out a video here. Some may have noticed, some may have not, but again, it is time for a little channel status update. Where have I been? When am I coming back? What am I doing in the future? Things like that. Again, the hiatus is just kind of a culmination of things, personal, medical, hobby frustrations, wanting to enjoy some other hobbies during the spring and summer months here in the north. You got to kind of pick your days outside when you can get them. So again, kind of winding down through the summer. I've been kind of winding up here into my model car stuff. Again, the YouTube channel. Last month or so, I've been kind of just organizing, inventorying, going through all of my kits, anything that was open, going through all the instructions, making sure all of the parts are there, or if they're not, making sure to put labels on all the kits that may be missing anything or sealed inside, just kind of full-on inventorying of kits, any of the old leftover parts, getting those all clipped off of sprues, put into my parts bins, my little storage containers. I also like to buy off of eBay some old vintage parts, things like that. So again, sorting through a few old bags that have piled up of parts. It gets to be pretty tedious. Again, just a lot of admin work around the shop, you call it, to prepare myself going forward here with the hobby. But going forward is going to be slowed up a bit for me because I've only mentioned it maybe once or twice on the channel that I know of. I've been dealing with issues with my hands, arms, up to my face with pain, pins, needles, even numbness. I can only do things in kind of short sprints, 10, 20 minutes before I maybe lose feeling and have to put things down. So again, I can't put in the big long hours at the bench like a lot of people. It's just 10-minute little shots. So again, it makes it hard for doing videos because I'm not getting a lot done at one time. It's just a lot of short stuff. But again, I bring that up because of the future, which the future for me holds a surgery, which is next week, October the 8th, to kind of deal with this issue I've been having. I've been dealing with it for years, and nobody's given me an answer. Kind of just blamed it on it's in your head, or it's chemical related from work, or just old age, or I've even had carpal tunnel surgeries, which I think was a misdiagnosis on that. Things like that. Got a new doctor, did MRIs and x-rays, found out that my spinal cord is being compressed in my neck. It's causing, I don't know what they call it, bruising or damage there on my spinal cord, kind of short-circuiting my spinal cord. So the surgery I have planned is, call it a 5-level laminectomy and fusion of my neck. So 5 of the 7 vertebrae in my neck are going to be glued together or fused together with rods. So at best I'll have 50% of my range of motion. So again, that leaves a lot of unknown as far as hobbies or just my general health or well-being from here on out. It's kind of one of those double-edged swords because it's not technically intended to help my symptoms now. It's to make sure that, or preventative from getting anything worse. Again, spinal cord, it's already being compressed, could lead to paralysis. Kind of have a higher risk of, the injury because you're already in contact with the spinal cord there. So hopefully it will alleviate some of my symptoms, but again, it's not technically intended to, it's just preventative. So again, it's one of those double-edged swords, make things worse to prevent them from getting worse. And something I've had to kind of sit on here for the last few months, deciding on surgery and preparing myself mentally and physically, and again, preparing the model car shop, again, hopefully for a return. For sure, it's basically going to put me out of work for 3 months. But I think as far as like hobby time or bench time, maybe a month or two, I can try dabbling into it. We'll see. Again, it's pretty unknown until after surgery. So again, that is my future. I don't know what it actually entails. But speaking of upcoming things in that month or two, I still want to host my Naked Models group build. For those of you that do enjoy that, I will be hosting that, doing what I can. Hopefully in that month or two, I can dabble myself in the group build. That'll be a great little kind of experimental for me with a pretty basic build there. So I look forward to that. Hopefully you guys are too. I know I've been away for a while, but hopefully you guys still want to get in on that Naked Models group build. I'll plan on doing some more videos, just kind of update that, kind of prepare for that. That runs from December through February, kind of that winter month theme as well. So I'll either put out new videos or maybe even just re-upload some of my older videos, update those as far as like the rules for those that are unfamiliar with that group build. So I think that kind of wraps up where I've been, where I'm going. I don't know. I guess with the organization and being out of work for 3 months, I am selling off kits for anybody that wants to adopt some of my kits to relocate to their place. Again, I am selling some. I've been posting them 3 kits for $65. Basically comes out to $16 to $17 a kit, depending on the shipping. You know, anywhere from 1 to 3 kits is pretty much the same shipping within $1 or $2. So that's what I've been doing, is just a flat rate of $65. I've even with that, I've done probably a dozen quotes for single kits, and all but one have kind of ghosted me on those. So that's why I just stick to the set pricing. Again, easy shipping. You know the price. You don't have to quote. You can look through the stash. I've been posting on my Facebook mainly with that. If you do want an email, I can send you photos, but again, that's hard to update through email. So again, first come, first serve on all that. Facebook stuff I can update as the orders come in, if anybody does want to pick up something. So again, just something I throw out there, helps me declutter, helps me with a few funds while I'm out of work. So hopefully I can be back on the channel soon. And with that, we'll see you next time.